Hello, once again. Good day. You are welcome back to the channel. My name is my name remains Kudrat. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos, and I hope you benefit as you apply for this fully funded opportunity under the Erasmus Mundus list of opportunities, fully funded. So this is one of the new programs. I think maybe got another funding, maybe a new program on its own. And the name is Master's Studies in Theoretical Chemistry and Computational Modeling. So if you've not watched my earlier uploaded content on Erasmus Mundus winning tips and my content that focused on chemistry, physics, mathematics, technology, I mean STEM graduate and final year student, please do, because this particular video is like a follow up, like an additional information to those opportunities discussed in those videos. So I'll go straight to the application website, the requirement, the deadline, how my suggestions on how you should tackle your application, how you should face, how you should apply for this opportunity, which I think are important. So please check the earlier uploaded videos. So let me go straight into that. Before I go on, I'd love to state that Erasmus Mundus is fully funded. Like I said earlier, and aside being fully funded, you you have a monthly stipend of 1,400 euros per month, and you have not a single degree after graduation, upon graduation, and so many benefit of Erasmus Mundus scholarship. So the call is open until February 28th. So the deadline is in about a month. So you have a month, which is enough. If you have all the personal documents already discussed in the video I stated earlier. So it's important you read this. It's important to read this. So they are trying to state by reading all this information on the application website, you know the program objective, the mission, which will help you write a good motivation letter if required. So we already know the deadline now, February 20. So let's go to the consortium. So the consortium are just the coordinating universities and the universities that work together to make your study a success. So as ahead, they had an earlier funding that ran between 2019 and 2024, and they got another funding for 2025 to 2030. Maybe they had a change of additional university. No, I think they had one university, and the coordinating university changed from this university to, okay, they had two coordinators at first, but currently they will have two. They will also have two coordinating universities, but different universities too. So we know the consortium, the universities that work together. So the study plan, you should read this. So that you know you select your mobility track, your study track. This will guide you. So First semester, you need to choose where you want to be. It's important to state why you think that's the best option for you. Second semester, and there's the second track. So all of you will be in any of the in any of the countries for your thesis, and it's just the information about how you go, how you travel when you're studying. So that's about the program. So let's go to the scholarship opportunity to read who are eligible, to read the requirements, the rules, the benefit, and the eligible countries. So let's go first to mobility rules. So, okay. So make sure you read all this. Make sure you read all this to help you. So let's move to mobility rules. So this particular program requires students to undertake their studies in at least two of the program countries represented in the consortium. Because under Erasmus Mundus, you cannot study in one university in one country. For me, I studied in Germany and the UK, so that's the minimum you can have, minimum of two. For some programs, they study in three. For some, in even four. That means they have to be in a country per semester. So that's how Erasmus is. So, and it is on site. You have to be there. So mobility period cannot be replaced by virtual mobility. So it's even stated here. So let's go to who are the eligible applicant. If you have a degree in chemistry, physics, or material science, please apply. Or if you are a final year student, please use your statement of results for your application. The second requirement is if you are proficient in English language, which you can show with an IELTS or first Cambridge or a TOEFL or other recognized certificate. So it stated here that applicants who have completed their degree in English are exempted from providing an English certificate but are required to submit a document. So that's a proficiency letter from a university. I have a short video on that, and it will really help you to know what need to be in the proficiency letter so that you don't miss out on any information because they are competing with a lot of people. Please make sure you do everything right. I think you can do this within a month now because proficiency letter is acceptable. So, so if you have a different degree aside chemistry, physics, and material science, so these are listed here. You must have possession of the following subjects in your transcripts. So, so we know deadline, we know the requirements, we know who are eligible. So let's go to the requirement and the selection criteria. I love information about, I love to read these a lot because it guides applicants a lot. So the selection committee, they look into application from people who upload all required information and documents in the application. I think the application is an online thing. So after the call closed, after February 20, the committee reviews, score, and rank all applicants from highest to lowest score. So those with the highest score are selected for the scholarship. So if necessary, their referees will be contacted to provide additional information about the application. So I will also state here that please select your referees carefully, please. It's very important. I was discussing it with a colleague who stated that one of our friends had a reference letters written by one of the referees, and she was referred to as E. Like, and that's a big error. And because the referee was busy, you know, that costed her the big opportunity. So then the last thing will be the online interview. So let's look at the criteria. The academic record. So your transcripts and certificates will be evaluated, and that's huge, like half of the total score, that's 50%. Then you move to personal statement of motivation, which is 15%. 15% is no small. Uh, Reference letters also 15, and your language certificate 20. So language certificate 20. So if you are willing to write IELTS, advisable. If you are willing to write TOEFL, or if you have it already, please use. But you can win. You can also win with your proficiency letter. Um, Eligible countries. Let's look into program countries. We have program countries and partner countries. So you can check your university. You can check your country here. I think share Africa, Nigerians are eligible to apply. So please apply. If you have the related degree, we have the subject already completed during your bachelor's, or you're currently in your final year. So like I said, 1,004 monthly during 24 months. That's for 2 years. And don't need to worry about insurance, tuition fee, participation fees, and how everything is sorted. I just want to make this brief because the the other video is longer, and I wish you guys the best. Have we checked the scholarship? Yeah, we've checked that. We have the stipend and all. So if you need reviews, my review sessions are paid now, not so expensive. They are paid. People pay for my time now, not really the review because it's a lot of work, but my time. So if you need me, go through your document, like all the documents, just reach out to me because I discovered that looking into only the motivation letter sometimes is not advisable because everything matters. You can see motivation letter is just 15%. So we need to look into all other things. So firstly, you need to create an account and please use the right email address. I have a short video on that, I think less than 5 minutes, on how to on what kind of email address you should use for your application when competing with global applicants. So guys, I wish you all the best in your application. So don't forget to reach out to me if you have a question. Put your question in the comment section, and I look forward to that. I look forward to celebrating you soon in a few months, because around March, April, people will start getting their congratulatory emails from the universities. So guys, I look forward to that. I sincerely do. And I wish you the best in your application. So don't forget to share this video to help people. I know a lot of people study chemistry, physics, uh, and all these listed programs that are eligible, material science, and related programs. Please do well to share my videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye for now.